Ki pulit na East Gente Hills kila deban ujor da ki ijahar halum shnong police station ha ka bedai bar ke jingja ka belajar ha ka arso trek nailar hadin belami ke huri hura ka bejur ha ka por beladan ke jingbis syar ki ba lani ke public hearing ka ba lalong hapo ke jaka jong ka meklaya Siemens Limited thang sky ha padeng ki kenhon pulit bat ki pat bhor bayaki persya bat da ka video ba ke video jong kan ke jingjaru kala saphyang stat ha kirunsan social media ha ke balayo iru katu kat ne ngut ki bril ke bala nang kenshot bat nang iding show ha ke juk ke por pat ke sarkar jela kala panru ye ke jingtip ki babnya na ki bor penya district ha ke bedai bat kene ke jingja I dekat ke kenhon menteri ikang amperin lengdo ila pentip ba we bril ulah syak kem bat ulala bat lala ru ban kem ban temno ya kene ke jingja ya kan ke public hearing lapan long nak bentar ke jing temu ban kampen jur ni kampen klan no ya ke jing pemi dobilat na ke karkhana meklaya Siemens Limited thang sky
unruly behaviors, stone pelting and other things. So to put that under control, a tear gas firing was ordered. But however, injuries were mostly on the part of the police personnel. And few rowdy people who came in the name of protesting, and one person has been detained, but situation is under control and they were able to conclude the hearing subsequently.
Menteri Kejala Meklaya badai